Welcome back to my channel, Glitter Babes. Today I have a quick DIY for you all. I'll be using 2 bowls and some stones. I'll first start off by removing the stones from the bag, and I'm going to be sorting through the stones and picking out the best ones. And I do prefer the stones with the flat sides, so those are the ones I'm going to be using. And this project was super easy. Most of it was just finding out which stones to stack on top of each other. And what I like about these stones is that they're different sizes and shapes. So I made a total of 3 candles and they all look totally different. And I am using Gorilla Glue hot glue sticks. And as you can see, I'm making sure that the rocks do balance on top of each other before I decide to glue them on top. And I didn't want this candle to be boring, so I made sure that I used smaller rocks and then some longer rocks just to change up the shape. And as you can see, I am using a bunch of hot glue, and you can use a combination of adhesive. And I'm making sure I hold the rock in place until the glue dries. So that was the last rock I added, and now I'm going to add my last bowl on top. And I'm gonna make sure the bowl is even and level because the candle has to sit inside. And like I said, I made a total of 3 and I took them all outside and spray painted them silver. The last thing I did was add these 3 candles from the Dollar Tree inside the candle holders. And this is how these babies turned out. I love them. I love how different they are. This is a perfect gift for Christmas or for the holidays in general. Thank you all so much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know in the comments if you like this video. And I'll see you later, Glitter Babes. Take care.